After losing over 80 pounds, my sister's father-in-law saw me recently and asked if I used GLP-1s. And honestly, I understood why he thought that. Because when people see major weight loss now, that's immediately where a lot of minds go. Ozempic, Wegovy. And to be fair, I looked into them too. Because if you've struggled with weight for years, and suddenly there's something promising rapid results, of course that gets your attention. But the deeper I looked into it, the more questions I started asking myself. Not just, can these help people lose weight? Clearly, for a lot of people, they can. The bigger question for me became, what kind of health would I actually be building? Because one thing that kept coming up was muscle loss. And that made me pause. Not because I'm trying to look like a bodybuilder, but because muscle matters, especially as we get older. Muscle is strength, stability, energy, metabolism, resilience. Lose enough muscle, and you don't just become lighter, you become weaker. That was hard for me to ignore. I also started reading more about some of the other concerns people were reporting. Digestive issues, nausea, long-term dependency questions. And honestly, I started wondering whether I'd actually be building healthier habits or just temporarily silencing the signals my body was giving me. Because for me, this process became about more than just getting leaner. It became about understanding my body instead of constantly fighting against it. Learning discipline, consistency, patience. Actually learning how my body responds to food. And I think that's the bigger lesson in all of this. Sometimes we get so focused on fast results that we stop questioning where they're leading us. What happens after? What's the long-term cost? Am I solving the problem or postponing it? And to be clear, I'm not making this video to shame anyone using GLP-1s. A lot of people are struggling. A lot of people genuinely want to feel better. I understand that. This is just me explaining why I personally decided not to go that route. Because at the end of the day, I think real health starts with asking better questions. And for me, that eventually turned into building healthier systems and habits I could actually sustain. If you want to see the tools, habits, and resources I personally use on my own health journey, you can find my health arsenal linked below. Take what helps and go build your own arsenal.